I got a great question from Regan who wrote and asked this. I wanted to say thank you. I've been floating around on my channel forever doing a little bit of everything since I couldn't decide exactly what I wanted to do. Thanks to watching your videos and a lot of pondering and experimentation, I decided to create an a cappella music channel dedicated to only creating music that encourages, uplifts, and inspires my watchers. My question for you would be, what do I do with the videos that are no longer in line with what my channel is about? Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer and welcome to Video Creators. This channel is all about helping you guys grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. But what happens on your channel when you decide to go a little bit of a different direction? I'm actually in the process of that myself right now on this channel, which I want to tell you guys a little bit about. But first of all, let's talk about the steps that you should go through when you're thinking about like changing direction in general. The first thing I think you need to do is talk with your existing community about the change that's coming. Tell them, why are you doing this? Tell them what they can expect that's coming up. Like, tell them a little bit of the backstory that's kind of led to why this change is coming in the first place. You will lose subscribers because of it, and your channel will take a little bit of a dip because there are people who signed up for your old thing, and now that you're going a little bit of a different direction, like, you will lose some, but it's important to bring some of them along that journey with you. Number two, I think it's also important that over communication is key here. Like, not every subscriber you have is going to watch every video that you produce. Not everyone who follows you on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or wherever, Snapchat, like, not everyone's going to see everything you do. So it might feel to you, because this has been in your head like all day long forever, right? That like, I'm talking about this too much, but this is not in your audience's head all day long forever. So you do need to over communicate it and let people know what's happening and the direction you're taking. Number three, when you have that first video coming out that's going this new direction, raise a lot of hype for it. Like, get excited about it. Talk about it before it releases and how excited you are, and promote it everywhere that you can, and make it feel like this is an exciting thing, not a, oh, we're so sad we lost the old thing type of thing. Like, show them how you're excited about it and get them excited about it too. Then number four, I think you just need to commit to it. You will get some negative feedback. You will get some people who unsubscribe. You will see a dip on your channel most likely, but that's okay. Perhaps worse than picking a direction and going with it is flip-flopping back and forth based on like what your audience wants to see and what they want to see and what they see. Like, you'll keep no one happy that way. The value in your channel will be unpredictable. It will drive you crazy. So listen to feedback, yes, but you ultimately determine the course that you take on your channel. Number five, you really need to then measure it. Don't just like make random changes and take random directions without knowing, one, if this is the direction you want to go, but YouTube analytics gives you some data too. So I recommend, like, let's say you come up with 3 different new content series you want to make on your channel. In your YouTube analytics, go to that groups drop-down menu in the upper right corner and create a new group for each type of new series on your channel, and then run with them for a month, 2 months, something like that. After the end of 2 months, then go back and use the comparison feature to put those series side by side to see which one is helping you reach your goal the best. Is it to get new subscribers? Is it to engage a community? Like, pick a goal for each of those series and then evaluate them side by side. Then after that, you can make some better decisions based on which direction you should go, maybe what series you should stop doing, which ones are helping you get closer to your goal, maybe a new idea to implement, things like that. Number 6, feature that new direction on your channel. To answer your question directly, Reagan, I don't think there's anything wrong with keeping the old stuff on your channel. You don't have to delete it unless, one, you're embarrassed by it and you think it might hurt your current brand that you're trying to create, or 2, you just don't really have many views and subscribers yet anyway, and so deleting it isn't really going to hurt you anyway. But if you already have like a somewhat of an existing channel that's already got some content performing well for you, I'd say it's okay to leave it there. You don't have the feature on the front of your channel, which is where a lot of the new people who are thinking about subscribing are going to be looking, but keeping it in the archives is like your story and your journey through YouTube on this channel. I think it's totally fine. The part of this conversation that is the most important is this principle that I think it's important for you to reinvent yourself every few years, every 1 or 2 years maybe on YouTube, because you start getting bored creatively and you're like, want a new challenge, you want to start pushing yourself, try new things. 2, your audience gets bored and they might be like, okay, this was cool when I signed up, but it's kind of getting repetitive now. You just don't want yourself nor your audience to feel like you're just stuck in a rut, right? And so it's important to reinvent yourself. That's kind of where I am at right now. I have been doing since 2011 like YouTube tutorials and YouTube education here on YouTube. It's been mostly like 9 ways for that, or 6 ways for this, as in this video, and like to click here, click there type of screen capture tutorials, and just a lot of advice giving, a lot of talking head, a lot of teaching type of stuff. And I love that, and I think there's a lot of value there. But personally, like, there's a lot of other people doing that here in the space too, who are doing a fantastic job at it. And I want to try, I'm getting a little bit bored, and I want to like try new things. And I think this is like the perfect opportunity to do that. And so the direction that I want to take with video creators going forward in the future is still keep the same value of educating you guys how do you grow a YouTube channel and form a business around it and make money on YouTube. But rather than like step 1, step 2 tutorial, like I want to do more around narrative content, more that's like focused on storytelling. And I think there's a lot of really cool ways of how you can teach someone something in more powerful, impactful ways through a story than you can in just telling them bullet point 1, 2, and 3. So consider this me being point number 1 for you guys, which is the first, talk with your community about it. Talk with your existing community about the change that's coming. A lot of the type of content that you've grown to love and expect here in Video Creators will not be going away. I'll still be mixing that in while I experiment with some of these other things, but I will be focusing more time and attention on the narrative type of stuff. So if you want to follow along with more updates, make sure if you're on mobile, follow my YouTube Reels, where you can find quick like story-based types of updates from me and when I'm thinking and processing and working through all this. But mostly, thank you for your support. I'm really excited to explore what it would be like to do short films here. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you join this community. We got new videos for you every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, like just videos coming all the time to help you grow an audience so you can reach people with the ultimate goal of impacting their lives. Trying this outside.